Today, let's learn three words with the name Atma: Jivatma, Paramatma, and Pudatma. We said Lord Vishnu is inside each of us as Atma. Have you seen dewdrops? In the morning time, there will be dewdrops on plants and trees. And in each one, there will be reflection of sun. Imagine you are standing in a big field and there are 10,000 dewdrops. In each one, you can see the reflection of sun. But are there 10,000 suns? No. There is only one sun. Jivatma is like the reflection of sun on each dewdrop, and Paramatma is the sun itself. Likewise, the Atma in all of us is Jivatma, and there is one Paramatma, which is Lord Vishnu. Paramatma means the supreme Atma, and then there is Pudatma. Pudatma means the purest Atma. Why is Lord the purest Atma? Because He is God. See, whenever I watch movies, I think, why is the hero the most important person of the movie? He beats all the villains, he marries the heroine. There are a lot of others in the movie, but why? Why can't any other person be the hero of the movie? And then I convince myself, it is because of all these reasons, he is the hero of the movie. He is the best person in the movie, and that is why it is his story. Likewise, the God has all the supreme qualities, and that is why he is God. Among all the Atmas, he is the supreme and he is the purest. That is why he is Paramatma and Pudatma. Muktanam Paramagadi means the final goal of liberated souls. Let me tell you a story. After years of ruling, the Pandavas, along with their wife Draupadi, left for pilgrimage to the Himalayas. That is their final journey in life. So, en route, all of them, five of them are walking, and there is one dog following them. So, in the route, first, Draupadi falls down and she dies. So, the Bhima, who is just behind Yudhishthira, asks him, why Draupadi can't continue the journey with us? Why did she fell down and die? Without looking back, Yudhishthira says, Bhima, Draupadi married five of us, but she always had an extra affection, extra soft corner for Arjuna, which is not right. That is why she had to have a death like this. They continue the journey again. Next, Sahadeva falls. Bhima panics and he asks Yudhishthira, Lord, why Sahadeva has to fall? He's our brother. He was with us for everything. Why did he fall down like this? Yudhishthira says, Sahadeva had always too much pride in his intelligence, which is not a good sign. That is the reason for his death. They continue the journey again. Next, Nakula falls. Bhima asks, Yudhishthira says, Nakula was always engaged in beautifying himself. He will go to the mirror every now and then, he will comb his hair, he will apply the curd pack. Like he was always engaged in beautifying himself. And Yudhishthira says that is not good for a man, and that is the reason for his death. And next, Arjuna falls, and Yudhishthira says, Arjuna was always overconfident in his abilities. He always considered there is no greater warrior than him. That overconfidence led to his fall now. Bhima slightly turns his head back. He understands that nobody is left behind him. He pauses for a second and Yudhishthira says, Bhima, before you fall down, I'll tell you. You always thought you were the strongest person in the world. You always had an ego that nobody can fight with you and beat you. That is the reason why you are going to fall. And Bhima falls. Now, Yudhishthira alone reaches the top, along with the dog who started the journey with them. On the mountain top, Lord Indra was waiting in his chariot to take Yudhishthira straight to heaven. So among the five brothers and Draupadi, only Yudhishthira had lived his life with full of dharma, with abiding by every law of the universe, so that he is with body taken to heaven. And then Indra says, Yudhishthira, most welcome, welcome to heaven. And Yudhishthira starts coming in, and then Indra notices the dog. He shows a board on the chariot, no pets allowed in heaven. Yudhishthira said, okay, then you go, I'm not coming. Indra was stunned. Yudhishthira, I'm taking you to heaven. This is the moment every living being in earth waits for. You don't want to come to heaven because of this dog? Yudhishthira says, yes, I'm sure. This dog was with me since the beginning of this journey. I cannot let it die in this freezing cold here. So if you are not taking it, I'm also not coming. Both of us will remain here. And then the dog revealed who he was. It was none other than Yudhishthira's father, Yamadharma. Yamadharma and Indra were on a final test to check the virtues of Yudhishthira, and he cleared in that exam. There is no direct link for this story with the word Muktanam Paramagadi. But the terms Mukti and Paramagadi can be explained with the help of the story. Mukti means liberation. Yudhishthira was a liberated soul. He was not bothered about the death of his brothers and his wife. But when he learned that he cannot take the dog with him, he was upset. When Indra questioned this, Yudhishthira says, if you are born, it is certain that you will die. All my brothers and my wife had a death they deserved. But this dog was with me all this time. So it is my duty, it is my dharma to protect it. And that is why I cannot leave it here. This is one state of liberation, where you are not bothered by any worldly pleasures. Yudhishthira just stayed to protect the dharma. And what is the result? He reached the heavenly abode, as Indra says, which is the ultimate destination of all living beings, which is Paramagadi, which means Lord Vishnu. Well, I don't think my little friends who are listening to this need to think about liberation at this age. Imagine that you are coming home from school on a weekend. The moment you reach home, you are all free and excited, and you have 2 days to celebrate yourself, except that you need to do homework. But still, you will be a little more cheerful than the other days of the week. Imagine that Lord Vishnu is your weekend. The day or the days you have been waiting whole through the week. So friends, let's conclude this video by recapping the names we have learned today. Pudatma, Paramatma, Muktanam Paramagadi, which is read as Pudatma Paramatma cha Muktanam Paramagadi. Keep him in your prayers. Stay blessed. Namaste.